The Prophet ﷺ was once approached by a man who was looking for some advice. He said, "Awsini, give me some advice." So the Prophet ﷺ said, "La taghdab, don't get angry." So this man said, "Zidni, give me some more. Yeah, that's good advice, but give me some more." So the Prophet ﷺ repeated again, "La taghdab, don't get angry." And he repeatedly said, "La taghdab." Notice how the Prophet ﷺ wants to direct this man's attention towards actually acting upon advice, as opposed to just receiving long lists of ideas or tips or advice. Sometimes the human soul can be attracted naturally to lengthy, eloquent, deep and wise words of wisdom, but that only gives us a short-lived boost or a short-lived feeling of understanding or piety or short-lived motivation. What really matters is to take on the small bits of advice that we do have that's beneficial and living by that. And this is why the Messenger ﷺ didn't want him to be distracted by long lists of advice, because if he can perfect this one thing, and that is to control his anger, to not act upon feelings of anger, he would hugely reform his relationship with Allah Ta'ala. He would be a more productive person, and he will reform and improve his relationship with other people too.